Nagyamanak kada kay amin apo nga Team Mabuno, datoy apo nagipag-enjoy kada kami, datoy tournament nga in honor of Manuling Ortega. Of course, birthday mo tata. Datay may sapay nga kadwa tayo nga go-golf nga kanayon ni apo Bongo Ortega.
Good day mga golfers! Nandito po tayo ngayon. I hope everyone is having fun sa ating pong pa-tournament po sa araw po na ito as we remember the one and only king of the province of La Union, si Apo Manuling.
Congratulations, Gov. Mario Ortega, for organizing this golf tournament dedicated to King, no? One of the best governor that we ever have in the province of La Union.
Sa dami ng players po, inabot po tayo ng 3 days. Masaya siya at it's a place where mag-meet and greet with other players.
Salamat po para dito sa tournament natin. Salamat kay Governor Mario Ortega at naisip niya. At salamat sa mga supporters, mga sponsors po na tumulong. At lahat ng organizers po na tumulong kay Governor Mario.
My experience here was very fun. I'm from Baguio. Everybody's very friendly. The atmosphere is very competitive. The course is wonderful. The weather was really great.
Sobrang ganda ng ating unity, sportsmanship, at saka sa fun dito sa ating tournament.
We are very happy and itultuloy tayo apo. At dardarap-dap tayo ito La Union nga agkaysa. We are living up to our name. La Union, the Union, the United.
Good evening, everyone. La Union, truly agkaysa. Right now, we're celebrating probably the last part of the celebrations of the 176th Foundation Day of the province of La Union. But this one is a very important one because we are reliving a life of a very good, very active, very loving politician, father of the province. I just hope that after this affair, you will be bringing good memories of La Union. And you are very, very much welcome to come back to La Union.
Very emotional po yung gabi na to, no? And it just shows the respect and love for my father, Manuling. It's such a sweet gesture by the provincial government headed by Tito Mario for this farewell swing king. Again, palakpakan natin ang provincial government of La Union. behind the success of Apo Manoling was a united Ortega family. And that was through the work and effort as well by all the siblings. I think that was the secret to success. And it's very timely and it's quite appropriate na no kaya't tayo nga progreso ti may sa probinsya, masapol nga grogi ti may sa pamilya.
Here in La Union, we make you feel love of La Union. We want you to love and feel La Union. Iso nga natanay apo, sapay kuma, tadagiti bisitas tayo, nayo, iti pinagkaysa, iti La Union. Ket sapay kuma, maalyan kayo, nga iyawid yo, idelog lugar yo. Para sa sugat na hindi gumagaling, lumalalim, sumasarap. That is always the toast of my mentor, Manoling Ortega. Naimbag, kadrapi tayo namin ako. Until the next time, see you next year!